So I'm one of the luckiest people you ever meet. I'm able to follow my passions. My day starts with meditation on the beach and doing a couple house calls where I can see dogs and cats and occasionally horses. And then I'll spend a couple hours at the emergency clinic doing trauma cases. Then I'll go home and have to pack my bags to get on a plane to go to Thailand and help elephants there. Veterinarians are the bridge between human and animals, and by ensuring optimal animal health, we're able to provide a better life for people. I chose the University of Guelph because it has an exceptional undergraduate program, and I knew it was going to prepare me the best way possible for vet school. I liked the discipline, and at the same time, I also liked having the concern and the assistance. So like if the professors noticed you're having a difficulty in a certain area, they would come up and take the time to help you. So it was a combination of reward, reinforcement, support, encouragement, but also pushing you to really do your best academically. The University of Guelph gave me the foundation and the building blocks to be able to follow my passion and get to where I wanted to go, which was help elephants in Thailand.